God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea.
Well, 40 years ago, a bunch of Vietnam veterans got together and kicked around the idea of should we have a Vietnam veterans reunion. After much thought and discussion, we said, yeah, we will. We'll have a reunion. So we did, 1985. So this year, we're going to have a reunion again for the 39th time in 40 years in Lincoln, Nebraska, August 8th through 11th. And need to understand that this still is a bunch of vets that get together. We're totally volunteer, we're non-affiliated, we're non-political. None of us get any sort of remuneration. We're all volunteer. And it's a bunch of vets having a reunion. It's going to be the 39th time. Any Vietnam vet is welcome to come. Any vet of any era is also welcome to come. We'll have, besides the fact of just being around a whole bunch of grandpas and grandmas.
On Thursday night, we usually have an opening ceremony. This was pretty cool, Civil War reenactment, plus our regular color guards. And then we have a barbecue, which is included in your registration.
We have 3 nights of entertainments. We have many workshops on topics over the years, such as Agent Orange, VA benefits, Nebraska National Cemetery benefits. We'll have a banquet. There's a ladies' luncheon. Since you're on the website, all the information is there. We're not selling nothing. None of us work on any kind of commission. You're not joining nothing. It's a weekend where a bunch of vets are having, again, we're going to decide it, okay, we will have a reunion. It just happens to be for 40 years. We've been doing it every year. Please, if you're interested at all, check the website. If you got more questions, give me a call or drop in, see what we're up to.